Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name Achieng Elizabeth. Today I've come to present to you the introduction to PowerPoint. PowerPoint is used in creating of presentations. So we are going to learn into details for first learners. So you open your PowerPoint as usual. You can see the arrangement of the PowerPoint, and if you want to open a new slide, you come to home, you click on new slide, and then there are different kinds of slides. We have title slides, which are used for creating titles. We have title and content. When you have a title and you want to put the content, you also have selection header. We have a slide of selection header. You also have a slide of to content. When you have have a content this side and the other content. You also have a slide of comparison where you want to compare between this and the other. There's also a slide of title only where you just want to insert on a title. You also have a blank slide. And then another slide is content with the caption. You have a pic here and you want to put the content about that caption. And another one is picture with the caption. You want to put a picture here, then you also put a caption here. That is about slides. And if you want to slides from outline, you can also click that one to open the slides from outlines. So you can put slides using the documents you have from here, at the slides from outlines. Then you also want to see about inserting. When you create a slide, let's first create one slide, come to new, then we create title and content with text here. Maybe let's say transport. And that is our title. Then you come to insert. You want to insert picture. You come, you look it from your device or online, or you want to insert shapes. You can also insert shapes using this. For example, this one. Come and put shapes here, like that shape. Then there is also organizing your work. If you want to add word, header and footer. If you want to put equation there, you can also put them. Then we also have what is called to draw. You can draw something in your PowerPoint. You can use these pens for drawing. You can erase it. Then design. If you want to design your PowerPoint, you come here. You can design it the way you want. Assuming you want to design it this way, you can use that. Any of the above. If those ones are not enough, you can look for more from here. Then we also have background. You can change the background of your PowerPoint the way you want. The slides, you can change it, the slide size. If you want the slides to appear bold or small, you can customize it from this side. Then we have what is called transition. Transition, you can insert it, you can put anything you feel like. For example, this is shapes. You can put random bars, you can put cut, you can put reveal, you can put any of that, you can put it. So let's insert more slides. For example, this one will be importance, transport, for example, that one. Then come back to our home and we want to put another option, that is animation. This is animation, so you can apply it to your work. For example, you come to transport here, then you come and put your animation. You can fly in, you can split your animation, you can wipe it. Any of the options you can customize from here. If you want any animation like zoom, you can put the zoom. Those are the animation effects that you can put them. Then you also know that we can record our slideshow. You want to record your slideshow, so you can record it from here. You come here to record the slideshow. So you can record it by the time. You record from here, you stop from here, you replay from here. That is to record. Then if you want to go back, you press escape, then you go back. Then another thing is you want to make the slideshow. So you can record it, you can set up a slideshow. There are very many options. So for example, we come back to transition, we use after, like a second. We remove it from on click mouse, we put it to after. So we are going to say after to like 3 seconds. Then you apply it to all. Then you come to slideshow. Then you say from the beginning. So your slideshow will be appearing afterward 2 seconds, as we can see. Then we add on a 2 slide, then it will end there. Then you come to escape to come back. So thank you for giving me your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow for more. Meet you again.